How to withdraw Trust Wallet to GCash. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another tutorial, and today I am going to show you the methods to withdraw cash from Trust Wallet. First, you need to go to your Trust Wallet. It can be in your web or your iOS or Android. It doesn't really matter. Here you need to go to crypto and click on one of the crypto you want to withdraw from. So for example, I clicked on Polygon here. It will show you a page like this. Here you need to click on the send button and it will lead you to a page where it will ask you to write down the recipient address. So here you need to paste the address of your GCash, and here you need to write the amount you want to withdraw from the Polygon, and you need to click on the preview button at the bottom of your screen. After you click on preview, it will show you a page, and there you just need to click on transfer or send, and you've successfully withdrawn your Trust Wallet to GCash. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Meet you guys in the next video.